Hey guys, welcome to TechSole YouTube channel. This is Rahul here, and today we are going to do the quick unboxing and review of the KUMI's latest affordable smartwatch, which is KUMI KU6 Meta. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get started. Here is the box that we get in a large size. I have this in white color variant, and there is one more black color option available for purchase. So now let's open this up and see what do we get inside the box. The first thing we see is the user manual that helps to guide all the functions and features of this device. This is the Type A to magnetic charging cable to charge the smartwatch. Now here comes the smartwatch itself. The watch is pretty lightweight and it looks like a metal finish, but it is actually a plastic body. And it uses soft silicone strap. Before we get started, let's see the specifications of this smartwatch. The KUMI KU6 Meta comes with a tall 1.96-inch square display. It packs with 260 mAh battery that takes 2 hours of charging time, and it uses 5V 1A input. It is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it works with both Android and iOS operating system. We see there is one single function key on the right, while on the left appears to have one speaker grill for incoming and outgoing calls. At the bottom we see a set of sensors for monitoring health issues. In order to connect the smartwatch with the smartphone, we need to download the software called KUMI Fair from Play Store or Apple Store. I have already connected my phone with this app, and it was really simple to connect. With the help of this app, we can see full health report generated by the smartwatch, and it gives us suggestions as well. This app is also useful to fully customize the watch as per the need. And we can see there are a lot of watch faces that can be changed from here. And there is customizable watch faces available as well. Now coming back to the smartwatch, it has a smooth touch display. And we see there are 100+ sports activity mode for immediate data record. This watch also allows to directly call or receive the call without taking the phone out. And it can even control the music running on the phone, and as well as it shows the notifications of the phone as well. For health, it has heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and more. It's been a while I have been using this smartwatch, and I can say it is comfortable in wearing, and it has a lot of features connected to sports activity that helps to keep the data recorded on board. And moreover, this smartwatch is suitable for both men and women. And if you're someone looking for a budget smartwatch with more features, I can recommend you to get this smartwatch. And further, I have provided a link in the description below with discount as well. So that's it in this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.